Hello, today's this will be a very short video about trading the news. I'm on the Forex Factory news page today on 12th of January 2022, and I've decided to trade this news that was just coming. And I don't usually trade the news, but anyhow, this is what happened. And I'm on the US dollar chart, M15. Right, as you can see, the expert advisor closed the pending orders as soon as it opened this buy right here, and also that it closed the other buys because, and I'm showing you right now, the settings were these. So it was instructed to close the pending orders as not as soon after the others after this amount of time. And that's what it did. So that what's happened on the Australian dollar, US dollar, and on the USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. This is happening right now. I didn't trigger the trailing stop. I could do it right now, but I'm just going to let the expert advisor do his job. I'm confident that this trend will continue going down. This is it, just showing you the settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching.